All couples must be boy-girl.
Too bad, Eugene.
Game rule 2. During the dance contest, if you're tapped on the shoulder, you must leave the floor immediately, or else. I mean that.
And rule 3, anyone doing tasteless or vulgar movements will be disqualified. That leaves us out.
Can we keep it clean, please? Let's keep it clean.
20 seconds.
Oh, 20 seconds.
Thank you, fans and friends and odds and ends. And now for you gals and guys, a few words to the wise. You Jims and Sal's are my best pals. And to look your best for the big contest, just be yourselves and have a ball. That's what it's all about, after all. So forget about the camera and think about the beat. We'll give the folks at home a real big treat. Don't worry about where the camera is. Just keep on dancing. That's your biz. Hey, and if I tap your shoulder, move to the side. Let the others finish the rhyme. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to National Bandstand, coming to you live from Rydell High School. This is the event you've all been waiting for, the National Dance-Off. And away we go with Johnny Casino and the Gamblers. Woo!
This Danny and Sandy.
Now to the event you've all been waiting for, the National Dance-Off. Some lucky guy or gal is going to go popping home with some fantabulous prizes. But don't feel bad if I bump you out, because it doesn't matter if you win or lose. It's what you do with your dancing shoes. Hey, does everybody here know Marty? Okay, cats, throw your mittens around your